In this video, we will be taking a closer look at the various features and specifications of this machine, including its weight, cutting angle, motor power, and much more. We will also be highlighting some of the many different materials and shapes that this machine can handle. So sit back and join us as we dive into the world of this powerful and versatile machine tool. The machine tool in question is a powerful and versatile piece of equipment, capable of handling a variety of different materials and shapes. With a weight of 580 kg, it is clearly a sturdy and well-built machine, able to withstand the rigors of regular use. One of the key features of this machine is its ability to handle rectangular sections up to 200 per 80 millimeters in size, as well as square sections up to 105 per 105 millimeters. This makes it ideal for cutting and shaping a wide range of materials, including metals, plastics, and woods. In addition to its rectangular and square cutting capabilities, this machine is also able to handle circular sections up to 120 mm in diameter. This further expands its range of applications, allowing it to be used for everything from cutting pipes and tubes to creating intricate circular shapes. Another notable feature of this machine is its cutting angle of 4 to 5 degrees. This allows for precise and accurate cuts, ensuring that the finished product meets the highest quality standards. The machine is powered by a 1.8 kW motor, which drives the disc at a speed of 3,600 RPM. This combination of power and speed allows for fast and efficient cutting, ensuring that projects can be completed quickly and efficiently. In addition to its cutting capabilities, this machine is also equipped with a roller conveyor with a length of 3,000 mm. This allows for the smooth and efficient movement of materials through the machine, ensuring that the cutting process is as efficient as possible. Overall, this machine tool is a highly capable and versatile piece of equipment, well suited for a wide range of cutting and shaping applications. Its robust construction, powerful motor, and advanced features make it a valuable asset for any workshop or fabrication facility. Thank you for watching this video about the impressive machine tool we have highlighted. We hope that you have learned more about its capabilities. Don't hesitate to contact us. We would be happy to assist you and provide any additional information you may need. Thank you again for watching, and we hope to hear from you soon.